Stay tuned because I got a wonderful curriculum for you. Thank you so much for tuning in to Homeschool Tips and Encouragement. This is another episode, y'all. We got wonderful curriculum for you. It is called Sing, Spell, Read, and Write. Yes, it is a wonderful curriculum. It's to help your child get started reading all together. They're just going to start reading with this curriculum. They may not be a reader right now. It's for preschool, kindergarten, working up, maybe between preschool and second grade. And it is an amazing curriculum. I use it to help my children. This is the first curriculum I use to help my children learn how to read. It's what got them loving how to read, continuing to read. It was the first foundation of their reading. Okay, so I use this, and I also used an online program that I talked in my other video. So go check out my other video. Okay, on the online program, you'll find it there. But this one was a wonderful book. It's not online. It's called Sing, Spell, Read, and Write. I bought it. Oh, let's see. Make sure we get that in there so you can see it. This is one of the workbooks that is with it for like maybe first graders. But what it is you can buy it as a kit. It comes with a CD. It comes with a chart with the ABCs and the vowels and different learning tools with it. It comes with a teaching tool, like something for a teaching manual for the parents or teacher. It comes with a set of books, like reading books like this, that has levels. So it's leveled reading, and it comes with different books. It's like this. It's for beginner readers, okay? So it is a wonderful book for beginner readers. Like if you are starting to teach your child how to read, it has leveled books in it. It's like this. And then it comes so you can read in different, like this is one of the first levels right here. So they'll start off with just sentences like this, right? Little small sentences. And then what it does, it helps them work their way up to paragraph reading. And then it helps them work their way up to writing it out, writing and different. So this is a different leveled book right here. So this one right here, it teaches them how to identify different words with pictures. It's a nice little workbook for beginner readers. The different vowels, the sounds, or different phonic sounds. Different games to go with it. Okay. It's a wonderful workbook because it's not just a workbook. It comes with a CD that you'll sit and have your children sing along with certain sections of the curriculum. Now, I know we're not in CD, so you might have to go ahead and check and see if they upgraded it. But I'm telling you, if you're looking for level books and just also, hopefully they upgraded it. I should have looked on there, but if they didn't, I mean, it's worth getting a CD player and or a VCR, not a VCR. Ooh, I'm telling my age, but yeah. But get you a DVD player or a something that takes a CD in it and still use it and download it, or get a DVD, how it copies it or whatever. But they should have, I think they already upgraded it. But if not, check it out. Check out Sing, Spell, Read, and Write. It's a wonderful curriculum to use. I mean, even if you just follow the curriculum with the teacher's tools that's with it, it's wonderful to use. Check out this company because it really helps you with the level reading. So it gives you books according to different leveled readings, and it's in one big kit that you can buy it. Okay, so let me tell you why this is good for you. I like it because it's a sing along. It's always wonderful to get your kids singing along. It makes the learning fun, right? I like that. It comes with a teaching tool for parents and teachers. So you don't feel by yourself. You actually have something that gives you step by step instructions on what you should do next for each leveled reading. It's an amazing, it's written and it is laid out so easy for parents to follow. It comes with different leveled books. So each book is a different level. And so your child is not going to just keep reading the same type of book for um, when they're increasing in their learning. And they're not going to start off with a book that is too developed for their reading. It literally starts off with 3 words at a time, or have your child doing learning one word. Okay, what does this word mean? Then it goes to putting those 2 words together. Then it goes to putting the 3 words together. Then it goes to a sentence. Then it goes to reading 3 paragraph. I mean, one a paragraph or a phrase or something like that. It is very, very easy to follow. The children can follow. Your child can follow the curriculum very easy. It's amazing. But don't take my word for it. Go check it out for yourself. Check out Sing, Spell, Read, and Write, the full kit. It should be a wonderful example on Amazon.com. That's where I purchased it. But look into it and see if that is a curriculum that will work for your family. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Homeschool Tips and Encouragement. I hope that this was a helpful tool for you and your family, or maybe you saw something or heard something that I said that is helpful for whatever you are planning to do or are currently doing in your homeschool. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more information on different tips and also encouragement on your homeschool journey or for your homeschool journey. You have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.